Welcome back. Welcome back. Now, what makes Excel unique is that we can create calculations in any cell or any set of cells. So, for example, if we place our cursor inside of this one cell, we can then calculate based on the values that we place in there. Now, when we're calculating, we're really just using one form of an actual formula. So, for example, if we click this button and we insert a function, we can do is we will then write in the function that we're going to be using. In this particular case, maybe we want to use all of the functions, and maybe we want to then look for the sum. And you'll notice then that our address bar then has an equal sign in there. And basically then we'll need to then define the numbers where we want to calculate the sum. And then click OK. You'll notice then that we will sum this whole number from E4 to E16. So the calculations you'll be doing will be based on the values that are in the cell, and you can do any calculation in any cell with either numbers and or values. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.